नमस्कार सभी को नमस्ते। In the series of our UGC NET examinations question, today I am going to start a series of Booker winning novels. Right, Booker winning novels, Booker winning writers, उनके works and the questions बेस्ड ऑन बुकर बुक्स जो अभी तक यूजीसी में पूछे गए हैं उन पर एक सीरीज शुरू कर रहे हैं, बुकर प्राइज की हिस्ट्री से शुरू करके और लास्ट बुकर प्राइज 2023 तक के जो विनर हैं हम सब पर आपको एक एक वीडियो देंगे। और हाँ, प्रिपरेशन की सीरीज में ये हमेशा याद रखिएगा, व्हेन यू प्रिपेयर फॉर सीरियस एग्जामिनेशंस तो क्वेश्चंस अराइज, क्वेश्चंस कम आउट ऑफ द ब्लू जिसे आप कहते हो, राइट। और वो क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ द ब्लू कहां से होते हैं? क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द नोबेल लॉरिएट्स, क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द पुलिट्जर प्राइज विनर्स, क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम द बुकर प्राइज विनर्स, questions are asked from Sahitya Academy winners, right? Questions are asked from different award winners, and in that series today I am going to start the series that is based on the Booker Prize, and the heading, the title of the series is An Acquaintance with the Booker Winners. An acquaintance, a familiarity with the Booker winners and Booker winning novels. This is द नेम ऑफ द सीरीज जिस पर हम बात करने चल रहे हैं, जिसको हम स्टार्ट करने चल रहे हैं। आज यू नो दैट देयर आर टू प्राइजेस, एक प्राइज का नाम है बुकर और दूसरे का नाम है इंटरनेशनल बुको, एंड समटाइम्स यू मे बी कंफ्यूज कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द बुकर प्राइज, द बुकर फॉर फिक्शन एंड मैन बुकर प्राइज, क्या डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, एंड व्हाट इज इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज। तो हम आज सबसे पहले इन सारे इश्यूज को एक बार देख लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन की क्लैरिटी आपके दिमाग में हो जाए, फिर हम प्रोसीड करेंगे बुकर विनिंग राइटर्स पर वन बाय वन। Initially the prize was started in it was established in 1968, and in 1968 the name of the prize was the Booker Prize for Fiction. The Booker Prize for Fiction was the name of this book when it was started, and the Booker Prize for Fiction, and since 1969 till 2001 this was known as the Booker Prize for Fiction. In 2002 its name changed, and from 2002 it is called the Man Booker Prize. 2002 से लेकर 2019 तक the same prize was called the Man Booker Prize, and from 2019 onwards now the Booker Prize is known as the Booker Prize simply. Now it is the Booker Prize simply. So formerly it was the Booker Prize for Fiction from 1969 till 2001. From 2002 to 2019 it was known as the Man Booker Prize, and from 2020 onwards it is now known as the Booker Prize. Already it is a literary award, इस पर तो कोई confusion नहीं है। Conferred each year, याद रखिएगा, it is conferred each year for the best novel written in the English language which was published in the United Kingdom and Ireland. All right, United Kingdom or Ireland. The winner of the Booker Prize receives international publicity which usually leads to sales boost. कभी कभी आप सुनते हैं ना कि मिलियन ऑफ कॉपीज सोल्ड हो गई इसकी, राइट, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कॉपीज सोल्ड हो गई, तो ये उस अवार्ड के जो है इन्फ्लुएंस में होता है। When the prize was created, only the novels written by the Commonwealth, Irish and South African and later Zimbabwean citizens were eligible to receive the prize. When it was started, the Nobel Prize के लिए कौन entitled था? Only the writers who belong to the Commonwealth, South Africa, Ireland और बाद में जिम्बाब्वे जोड़ दिया गया था। In 2014, it was widened to any English language novel, and that was a change that proved to be very much controversial, and every award goes with controversy. Who awards the novel? Who awards the prize? प्राइज देता कौन है? अभी हम मैन इंटरनेशनल बुकर प्राइज पर भी आते हैं, राइट? ये ऐसा प्राइज है जो इनिशियली 2 years में एक बार दिया जाता था, and international booker prize is not given to a creative work, but in fact it is given to a translated work. इनिशियली ये बाई-एनुअली था और अब ये भी एनुअल हो गया है. Conferred each year for the best novel written in English language. Best novel written in English language उसको कन्फर किया जाता है. और इसके जो जज होते हैं, द कमेटी जो होती है, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 इंडिविजुअल्स, एंड उन 5 इंडिविजुअल्स में कौन कौन होता है? उन 5 इंडिविजुअल्स में ऑथर्स होते हैं, लाइब्रेरियन होते हैं, ऑथर्स, लाइब्रेरियंस, लिटरेरी एजेंट्स, publishers and booksellers, right? The judging committee comprises these 5 personnel: authors, librarians, literary agents, publishers and booksellers, and they are appointed by the Booker Prize Foundation each year to choose the best work. 5% panel constituted by authors, librarians, literary agents, publishers and booksellers is appointed by the Booker Prize Foundation each year to choose the winning book. All right. History क्या है प्राइज की? When was it started? When was it founded? और किस किस को अभी तक किस किस कैटेगरी में अवार्ड मिला है? द प्राइज वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एज द बुकर प्राइज फॉर फिक्शन. किसने शुरू किया था? इट वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एज द बुकर प्राइज फॉर फिक्शन आफ्टर द कंपनी बुको मैकनिल लिमिटेड. द नेम ऑफ द कंपनी वॉज बुकर मैकनिल लिमिटेड. It had founded the Booker Prize in 1968, and the first Booker Prize was given in 1969. Right? Administration of the prize was transferred to another company, to the Booker Prize Foundation in 2002, and from 2002 its name changed, as I told you earlier. The title sponsors became the investment company Man Group, which opted to retain Booker as the official title of the prize. इसीलिए इसका नाम क्या हो गया? The Man Booker Prize. Because now the owner, the administrative power of the company, the Man company के पास चली गई थी. Booker was the original name, so it retained the original name, and now Booker Prize was called the Man Booker Prize. This was the history. The prize money was awarded with Booker Prize was originally 5,000 from 1969 till 1977. Prize money was 5,000. In 1978, the prize money was doubled and it became 10,000 pound. Right? 10,000 pound हो गई 1978 में. And when the ownership of the company changed in 2002, the prize money became 50,000 pound. Right? 50,000 pound in 2002 under the sponsorship of the Man Group. Each of the shortlisted authors receives 2,500 pound and a specially bound edition of their book. एक चीज और जानिएगा, शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग एंड लॉन्ग लिस्टिंग. लॉन्ग लिस्टिंग होती है नॉवेल्स की, 8 नॉवेल्स उसमें होते हैं. फिर शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होती है जिसमें 4 होते हैं, और उस 4 में से 1 जो है वो विनर डिक्लेयर किया जाता है. तो दोज हु आर शॉर्ट लिस्टेड उन राइटर्स को 2500 पाउंड मिलता है एंड विनर को मिलता है 50,000 पाउंड। ये बुकर प्राइज का जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, उसकी हिस्ट्री है और उसकी प्राइज है। राइट, दिस इज द बुकर प्राइज ट्रॉफी एंड दिस बुकर प्राइज ट्रॉफी वाज not the original trophy. Original trophy in 1969 was prepared by a painter and writer John Pinkowski. He designed the trophy of the Booker Prize, which was unveiled at the first prize ceremony in 1969, and the first Booker Prize was awarded to whom? P.H. Newby. P.H. Newby को first Booker Prize मिला था। And when the Booker history completed how many years? 25 years. 25 years के completion पर another Booker award was given named Booker of the Bookers. अभी तक जो 25 बुक्स को बुकर मिला था, the best of the book was selected and best of the book जो select हुई that was Salman Rushdie's Midnight's Children. Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children was awarded the Booker Prize in 1981, and in 1993 when the Booker Prize completed its 25 years, right, it was awarded the Booker of the Bookers. And when the Booker completed its 40 years, then another Booker was awarded to Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children, और जिसको the best of Bookers कहा जाता है। In this way, Salman Rushdie's Midnight Children was awarded 3 Bookers. Booker in 1981, Booker of the Bookers in 1993, and in 2008 the best of the Booker. Right, इस पर भी UGC has asked question. Right, the best of the Booker is a special prize awarded in commemoration of the Booker Prize 40th anniversary. 40th, 25th and then 40th पर मिला था क्या? 40th पर मिला हुआ था उनको प्राइज जिसका नाम था the best of the Booker. Right, ये short listed works थे। Short listed works, the golden man of the Booker. And when the Booker completed its 50 years, then another prize was awarded, that is the Golden Man Booker. The Golden Man Booker was awarded to Michael Ondaatje's novel The English Patient, and these were the shortlisted for the Golden Booker, and the Golden Booker was awarded to The English Patient, and English Patient was the novel by Michael Ondaatje. This was the book that won the Golden Booker Award. Right, Golden Man Booker Award. So this was the short history of the Booker Prize. What is International Man Booker Prize? International Man Booker Prize is given to the translated work, and you know that in 2022 an Indian, Geetanjali Shri, was awarded the International Man Booker Prize for her novel. क्या नाम था उसके नॉवेल का? रेत समाधि. And रेत समाधि's translated version won the award. उसको International Booker मिला था. And he is the first Booker winner writer, Percy Howard Newby, and his novel Something to Answer For. Right, this was the novel, first Booker winning novel है. Right, so this was the history in today's class. From the next class, I'll be discussing each novel that won the Booker Prize one by one, और उसके साथ short listed novels कौन सी थी, उनके novelist कौन से हैं, and what is the main theme, main story, main content that compelled the committee of the judges to award the prize to that particular book. I'll be discussing these points from the next class onwards. थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ, एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसलिए इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर। ऑल द बेस्ट।